How to change Netflix plan. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change Netflix plan. So in order to change your plan on Netflix, you'll not be able to do it with your application. For that, you need to open up a browser and then on the web address bar type in netflix.com. As you type in netflix.com, make sure that you are already logged into your account and then select the profile. After that, it's going to take you to this kind of interface. So over here, go ahead and select your profile icon located right at the bottom and then go to the try bar icon. From the try bar icon, the drop down menu appears. From the list, go ahead and select account. As soon as you click the accounts button, it's going to take you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and scroll down a bit and go to plan details. As you click on it, you'll be able to see an option as change plan. So just tap on it and then you'll be able to change your plan on Netflix. So in that way, you can change plan on Netflix. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.